Welcome everyone. My name is Michelle and I'm so happy you're here today. Today's practice is for mindfulness and inner peace, as well as for centering and grounding. I won't be using any props for this practice. And I also want to say that this practice can be done either sitting in a chair or even bed. And let's begin in an easy seated pose. Having the hands on the knees, sitting up nice and tall. And again, even if you're sitting in a chair, if you just have your feet flat to the floor and having your hands on your knees or on your thighs. And we'll all sit up nice and tall, relaxing the shoulders, closing the eyes. Let's begin with an inhale, breathing in through both nostrils, sending the breath as far down in the belly as you can. And taking a full open mouth, cleansing exhale. Bringing ourselves present into our bodies in this time that we are allowing for ourselves. And adding an affirmation to our inhale and our exhale. As you inhale, with each inhale, I invite in peace. With each exhale, I release and soften. With each inhale, I invite in peace. With each exhale, I release and soften. And now gently opening the eyes, we will continue to weave that effort or those affirmations into the rest of our practice. For now, if you're in your easy seated pose, let's just switch the crossing of the legs to whichever leg was in closest to you, bringing that out in front. And we'll do some neck stretches. Let's take an inhale, lengthen up nice and tall, dropping the chin to the chest, stretching into the back of the neck. And now rolling your head over to the right ear, right shoulder. And then rolling the head back down, taking it over to the left. And just continuing this gentle flow right to left. Relaxing your jaw. Let's take it one more each way. And then bringing the chin back to the chest. Keep your chin tucked in as you bring the head back up. And then allow the head to just fall in its natural position. Drop the shoulders down. Let's take a cleansing breath. Shoulder rolls, bring the shoulders up to the ears, back and down. And then reverse, taking the shoulders back, up, forward, and down. And then releasing that, extend the arms out to the side, take a twist over to the right. The left hand, right knee, right hand back behind you. Inhale, I invite in peace. Exhale, I release and soften. Taking one more round of breath here. Untwisting, taking it over to the left side. One more breath here. Release your twist. And now we'll extend the legs straight out in front of us. I'm just going to turn to the long edge of our mat. And if you are by chance in a chair, maybe you come towards the edge of the chair so you can extend the legs out. And we will make our way into a forward fold. So let's inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, leaning forward. And once you find your stretch, just release the arms down. And again, if you're in your chair, maybe you just bring your hands to the thighs or the shins. And then we all just want to let our upper body melt into this fold, not forcing or pushing anything here. Inviting in that inner peace while releasing any stress or anxiety or overwhelm. And taking our last breath here in this pose. Inhale, really do your best to fill up your back. Slow, open mouth exhale. And then let's support the body coming up out of this fold. So if you're on the mat, bring the hands by your hips, palms to the mat. You're going to press into the floor to support bringing the upper body back up. And then bringing your hands to your thighs, relax the shoulders, relax the legs, cleansing breath. Making our way back into an easy seated pose. Whichever leg naturally comes in front is perfect. And now coming into a side bend, right hand to the mat, reaching the left arm up and over. If you're in your chair by chance, you can just hold on to the edge of the seat. Trying to let the head relax. And then inhale, coming back up and taking it over to the left. And inhale, coming all the way back up. Extend the arms out to the side. We're going to reach the arms all the way up, bringing the palms of the hands together, and then dropping the hands back behind the head, getting a nice little chest opener, shoulder opener. Maybe you feel this deep stretch around the area of the armpits, which is really good because we don't tend to target this area. Gently closing the eyes, breathing here. 3 breaths. Trying to relax the shoulders. Good. Doing your best to keep the palms of the hands together. Extend the arms back up. And then we're going to drop the hands, bringing the hands together at the heart in our Anjali Mudra. Sitting up nice and tall, closing the eyes. Take a full breath in. A full breath out. Once again, breath in with our affirmation. With each inhale, I invite in peace. With each exhale, I release and soften. And now releasing the hands, resting the hands with the palms facing up on the knees, closing the eyes. This affirmation, I let go and I return to calm. Let's take a round of breath with that affirmation. Inhale. Exhale, I let go and return to calm. And now flipping the palms to the knees. I am safe. Inhale. Exhale. I am safe. Let's take one more round of breath. Opening the eyes. I hope you enjoyed this short but sweet practice for you today and you feel grounded and centered and full of inner peace. Thank you so much for practicing with me. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, leave me a comment, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so, and I look forward to practicing with you again very soon. Namaste.